Georges V.
A stranger in a Paris subway. I'm not a grumbling immigrant with a serene face and an untroubled mind. I have learned how to mask the frightful question of the native French with an ode. Monsieur n'est pas Parisien. Monsieur is not a Parisian. I would gaze at Monsieur in oblivion and continue to nod like a lizard. I gave the experience of that moment a nickname. I call it freedom. Voiceless, no grumbling and not disturbed. And in this organized environment, Paris, a beautiful city no doubt, I walk down the French subway like a monk in a state of grace. And with a graceful mind, serene face, and an untroubled mind, 1, 2, 3 steps, rolling like a boy on roller skates, I found myself inside the French subway. Le Métro, like a wanderer without destination, I mark time, watching the movement of commuters, listening to the music of the subway, smiling at beggars when I can't give them money. Then trains come and go, no late trains, and whenever trains are late or whenever trains whistle no more, the French Railroad Union has called workers to strike. Commuters cry. As an African in Paris, I remained serene, mind untroubled. After all, no trains in Paris is better than the Lagos go slow. The French subway is the heart of Paris. No trains, no business. Workers hold their breath. The pollution level in Paris rises. Now Paris goes slow, Greece, Lagos goes slow. And when the strike is over, the French air flows back into the French subway. The African sweepers return to work. Breathe for French sake the French fresh air while cleaning the French subway with their green brooms. No ifs and no excuses. African Métro sweepers keep Paris clean. The anxious lines on their faces, flickering look and worry in their eyes. My fellow Africans, keeping Paris clean. Whenever I see worrying sights like this one, while waiting for my train in the Paris subway, I murmur freedom. And if freedom has become an important concept for me, it's because my memories have been rooted in the French soil. My immigrant experience has left in me a hunger for infinite horizon that I have transferred into writing. That's why I'm not a grumbling immigrant.